Welcome to our channel. Do you want to design app or websites? Then first you need to understand the UX design process. Whether you are a beginner or pressing up your skills, this will give you a solid foundation. In this video, we are going to see 5 essential stages of the UX design process. There are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. This is from understanding your users to testing your ideas. Let's see step by step. First step, empathize. This is where the UX process begins. Before you design anything, you need to know your users, like who they are, what they need, how they think, and what challenges they face. That means conducting user interviews, surveys, field research, whatever it takes to understand their needs, frustrations, and goals. In the empathy stage of UX design, personas and empathy maps are two key tools used to represent and understand users deeply. What is empathy map? An empathy map is a visual tool that helps UX designer capture user experience and perspective. It is usually divided into sections that describe what the user says, thinks, does, feels. If persona is a fictional but research-based character that represents a key user segment. It includes demographic details, goals, needs, frustrations, and behaviors. Next is define. Now that you have gathered insights, you organize and make sense of them. In design stage, a clear and focused understanding of the user's needs, pain points, and the problems the design will address. You will define clear problem statement based on what your users actually need, not just what stakeholders think they need. In this stage, tools like journey maps or point of view statements come in handy here. Third, ideate. It is the third stage in the design thinking process. This is brainstorming stage. Now you know the problem. It's time to explore how to solve it. Participants gather with open minds to produce as many ideas as they can to address a problem statement in a facilitated, judgment-free environment. They are using sketch, whiteboard, mind map. The goal is to come up with lots of creative solutions without judgment. Next, let's prototype. Take your best ideas and start bringing them to life. These can be low fidelity wireframes or high fidelity mockups. The key is to create something users can interact with and give feedback on. Figma, Adobe XD, even paper sketches work at this stage. Finally, test. Put your prototype in front of real users. Watch how they use it. Listen their feedback and don't be afraid to iterate. This is where real learning happens, and it often sends you back to earlier stages to refine and improve. The goal is to identify usability issues, validate design decisions, and improve the overall user experience. Why testing is important in UX? Reduce risk of costly design mistakes and improves user satisfaction and validates design assumptions with real data, and last, enhances accessibility and efficiency. That's all. These are all the most important things of 5 stages of the UX design process. Now let's once again go through the all stages of the UX process shortly. The first stage of empathize is learn about your audience. The second stage of define, construct point of view based on user needs. And third, ideate, brainstorms and come up with creative solutions. And fourth stage of prototype is build representation of your ideas. And last final, test your ideas. This process is not always linear. It is flexible, iterative, and always user-centered. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more UX tutorials and let me know in the comments which stage do you find the most challenging. Thank you. Make sure to hit like and subscribe.